Okay, what we have here is a Eclipse Wasp. I just picked it up at a flea market. It's got the original bar. Chain probably too. Guy said it was his father's. I think it'll clean up pretty nice. Sounds really good compression wise. He's got a cord. And then you look over here, and somebody did take the screen off or broke off, but if you look, the piston looks really good. Let me see if I get a better angle. So that piston looks really good. The rings look good. It's a nice saw. I didn't decide what I'm going to do with it yet. Might launch it on eBay. The Pulp Master. Awesome old saw. Pretty straight.